Hey everyone, this is DJ coming back at you with a new video, and I have something a little bit different for you today. As I was looking through photographs to find some for my upcoming video on the 2004 plus Pontiac Grand Prix, stay tuned for that one, I came across some video footage I took in around about 2005 when I was at the Cayuga quarter-mile racetrack. And I just thought it'd be kind of cool to share some of those with you guys. There's a little bit of everything there, from Grand Prix to Regals to Firebird and even a couple snowmobiles going down the track. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think.
Oh, you can lay down? Oh, look at you. Relax. You want to sit on Dad? Where you going, punk?
I only came it once the whole year, one time the whole year. No intercooler.
That's a fun. Yeah,
That's a good marker for how fast I get.
Not sure I can How far past the show?
I have no idea.